Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious omelet at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need 2 or 3 large eggs, about 1 tablespoon of milk or water, and a dash of salt and pepper for seasoning. Don't forget your favorite fillings, like shredded cheese or finely diced vegetables. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan, a whisk, and a spatula on hand. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our egg mixture for that perfect fluffy texture. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Add about 1 tablespoon of milk or water. This helps create steam for a lighter omelet. Whisk the eggs vigorously for about 30 seconds until the mixture is a uniform light yellow and slightly frothy. Next, place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add 1 teaspoon of butter or oil, ensuring it coats the bottom. It's time to cook our omelet. Pour the whisked egg mixture into the hot pan, tilting it gently to ensure the bottom is evenly coated. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. As the edges set, use your spatula to gently push the cooked egg towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. When the top is mostly set but still looks a bit moist, add your pre-prepared fillings to 1/2 of the omelet. Almost done. Now for the final, satisfying fold. Carefully use your spatula to fold the unfilled half of the omelet over the side with the fillings. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, especially if you've added cheese to allow it to melt beautifully. Once golden and set, gently slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately and enjoy your delicious homemade creation. It's a simple, yet impressive dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.